There's a way to create beautiful designs, beautiful websites, beautiful apps, beautiful motion, and I just learned about it. And it's through this thing called Google MD. It's using skills, and the entire process of this is what we explain on this podcast. I had my friend Meng To, who's one of the best designers I know, come on and share his entire workflow to how to create.
Okay, so Greg Isenberg and Meng To are talking about Google's Design.md idea. And honestly, this hits a real problem. AI can make a pretty first screen now. That part is cheap. The hard part is consistency. Can it keep the same taste across the landing page, the app, the deck, the motion, and the next 10 experiments? That's what this workflow is really about.
Yeah, I mean, when I see this, like, first of all, this is gorgeous. But what I would want to refrain from is, like, to your point, duplicating that and just creating the same cookie cutter website, you know, because
this is the part a lot of vibe coders do not want to hear. If your product looks like the same startup template everyone saw last week, the AI did not save you. It just made the sameness faster. Design.md is interesting because it is not supposed to be a template. It is more like the taste layer. Typography, spacing, motion rules, visual references, constraints. You still have to make decisions.
For me, that mode right now is the fact that everything is local. So for example, this is all local. And because it's local, it generates these MD files across folders and nested folders that I can just open in Codex and open that folder and tell my agent, look, I have a Greg Isenberg podcast. I want you to prepare all of these screens. I want you to prepare, 10 sections or 10 notes or do research.
Local part is huge. A lot of these design tools feel magical until your process is trapped inside their chat box. If the system is just files, your agent can read it, change it, reuse it, branch it, and carry it into the repo. That is why skills, agents.md, design.md, all of this is converging. The real asset is not the prompt. It is the reusable operating system around the prompt.
Without WebGL or 3JS, which is for 3D, you don't have any of that stuff. You only have the typography and some of the reveal animations and some of the rules. So that's why these two elements here for me is really important. And
I like that he keeps coming back to taste, because this is where the hype gets dangerous. AI design is not just typing, make it beautiful. The model needs references, rules, and a person with enough taste to reject the first output. WebGL, motion, layout rhythm, copy, density, empty space. Those are not random decoration. They are the difference between a product that feels premium and one that feels generated.
But what I want to teach here is the whole workflow so that you don't end up with just a one-shot thing. And how do you, can you guess how many prompts that I use to build these products? Just give me a number. How many prompts do you think I use? It's definitely not one shot.
I don't know, a couple dozen.
So my take is this. Design.md is not magic, but the direction is right. The next advantage is not who can make one decent homepage. Everyone can do that now. The advantage is who can encode taste into a system, iterate 1,000 times, and still keep the product coherent. If you build with AI, steal this workflow, collect references, define the design language, store it as files, use skills, then remix across formats. But do not let the model make every decision. That is how you get fast output with no point of view.